Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at selective color correction or selective color change here in Adobe Photoshop. So go to File and Open. So come to this image 5. We're going to be using this image for our experiment. So click on the image and open. Perfect. We don't have this effect here, but we can actually still get this effect, image, and then adjustments, and then come to replace color. So you click on replace color, you can see that we now have this replace color panel pop up. One thing we can do is click here, and this allows us to select the color which we want to replace. So let's say we want to replace this color, so we can now come here, and then using this eyedropper tool, it automatically selects an eyedropper tool for us, and then we can just click here and it then samples this color for us. So samples this color automatically, and okay. So the next thing we want to do is come to result, click on result, and then now we need to change this color to the desired color. So you can see that I changed the color to this kind of red color, and we can see that immediately everything changes to the red color. So we can see that this kind of selective color adjustment is more accurate than the one we saw under hue and saturation, right? Under hue. So this is more accurate. So we can adjust the color. You can choose a different color. You could choose a color that is a bit closer to the original, so that the blend is even better. So when we are satisfied, we can just click OK, and we have this option called the fuzziness. Now this fuzziness does this. You can see that the higher the fuzziness, the better the blending. And then we have here which we can change the hue of the selected color. So you can see that we now change the hue. We can now select different colors using the hue slider here. Here you can change the saturation of the selected color, so we can see that we now have a gray color because we've taken the saturation down to -100. So if we make it higher, of course we see the effect. Perfect. And we also have the lightness. You can make the lightness lower or make it higher. Perfect. That's how to change a particular color in an image more accurately. So if you're okay with what you have, maybe I'm going to choose this one. I like this better. So if you're okay with what you have, all you then need to do is click OK, and your color is now changed. Okay, so that's selective color change in Adobe Photoshop for you. And this will come to the end of the video on selective color change. See you in the next one. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.